Welcome back, guys. In this video I want to show you how to make Safari the default browser app on your iPhone. To make Safari the default browser app, it's very simple and very easy to do. I'm going to be showing you that in under 60 seconds. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So once you tap on settings, go to this settings page. So once you get to this page, I want you to scroll down all the way down to the extreme bottom. Once you scroll down, I want you to tap on apps over here. Just tap on apps. So once you tap on apps, it's going to show you this page. On this page, you want to check the top. If you check the top of this page, you are going to see default apps over there. So I want you to tap on that default apps. So once you tap on that default apps, it's going to take you to another page. On this page, I want you to look for where we have browser app and tap on it. So we have it here. So let's tap on browser app. So once you tap on browser app, it's going to display all the browser app you have on your device. As for this device, I have just two browser on this device. I have the Chrome browser and I have the Safari browser. So because we want to make the Safari browser the default browser app, that is, whenever we click on any links, it's going to be opened through the Safari browser. So you can see the Chrome browser is the main default browser here. We are going to change it to Safari. You just want to tap on Safari here. So once you tap on Safari, it's going to be changed to Safari. This means whenever you see the mark icon, you just want to tap on it and make sure it is at the front of any browser you want to use as your default apps. So guys, this is how you can actually use or make Safari your default apps on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.